Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. And so one of the most frustrating things as a creator is this scenario where you spend all the time creating your video, you put it out there, and nobody's watching your video. You get less than 10 views. Now, this is something that every creator goes through. And it's really just a pain because you've spent all this time coming up with the idea, filming it, editing it, doing all the technical stuff and uploading it, and all you hear is crickets. And so I've faced this many times, and I've come to the conclusion that for most people with their content, they actually want to do two main things. The first thing is you either want to grow your channel, i.e. more views, more subscribers, or secondly, you want to focus on the type of content that you are producing. Now, the ideal situation is you produce content that you actually want to produce, and at the same time, your audience or people will actually watch your videos and it'll grow. That is like the perfect situation. But for most people, that's usually not the case. I think for most people, if you focus on growth, then it's really simple. You just look at all your old videos that bring you in the most views and subscribers, and you pretty much make nothing but those type of videos. And that'll help your channel grow really quickly. And then the second one is focusing on the content. What do you really want to do with your content? What value are you providing? What is it providing for yourself? And for most people, if they focus on the actual content, what's in it, most of the time it's going to lead to like slower growth, because that particular type of content might not be the one that is actually leading to all the growth. And at the same time, the creator might not like to produce only that type of content. And so that's really a challenge, and it's something that I go through myself. But I think over time, if you keep doing this consistently, you'll find a good medium in between. Now, for some people, they might not find it. For some people, they have to create only this type of content because that's what their audience wants. And then for other people, they're so focused on the craft of creating their content that their channel doesn't grow as quickly as they want. And so those are my thoughts on that. And there really is no simple answer except for what I mentioned, where your priority is. And most importantly, as you're going through this journey, you need to figure out what works best for you. Now for me, I focus on the quality of the content, at least the quality that I want to provide. And then the growth part is secondary to that. And so those are my thoughts on that. If you had any of your own thoughts on that, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey playlist, I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.